Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. Before we jump into this Bitcoin analysis, altcoin setups to make some profits for you at the end of the video, remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 5 days. For a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I'm going to choose a random comment over a 7-day period, give away $500 in Bitcoin. Thousands of people watch the videos every single day, and they're not subscribed. Smash the subscribe button. Bitcoin, 4-hour chart. Okay, so rising wedge broke to the downside. Not surprising. 68% chance it happened, and it did. Now, this support level is holding. You definitely want to see this support level hold around 59,000. So, I mean, could we get some type of move to the lower trend line here? I mean, it would make sense. I mean, you have to think that the price action continues in this pattern until it doesn't. Okay, so obviously downside break, super bearish. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a move towards 68,000 over time. It's important to understand while Bitcoin, if Bitcoin just kind of goes sideways and does nothing, these alt BTC pairs will fire off. And I'm going to talk to you a lot about like these small cap coins and maybe a transition we're seeing in how the altcoins are moving. Typically we've had good altcoin weekends. And so, if Bitcoin can just essentially do nothing right now, altcoins will take off. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I became so financially secure because of your group that I was able to pay 100% of my tuition in cash and start my career path of my dreams. I'm up over $180,000 since February. I wouldn't be here without you. This is life-changing money, period. Period. This person, I made almost 100%, almost $2,000 in 8 days. Huge theta call. This person, I was up BZRX and ManaTrade up $1,500 on each within minutes. Appreciate your hard work. Listen, this is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. You've got to make this count. Ask yourself, I mean, do you want to be super successful in this market? Put a little bit of work in, learn to trade this market, learn how to set stop losses, buy breakouts, and make a ton of money in this market. I'm going to make sure you're in the best and most profitable coins for the entire bull market. Altcoin season's here right now. You got to take advantage of this opportunity. This is the easiest money you can make in crypto. Life-changing money. Go to my website, cryptorev.net. All the information to sign up. Right now, if you sign up, you pay in crypto for 6 months or 12 months, you get 50% off. This is Coin. So Coin was posted previously. We bought the breakout of this level. It was up 248%. And then I found another setup on it, and I'm going to show you in just a second. So again, 2.5x out of Coin. Doge, who remembers this? Anyone? 338%. Potentially it's closer to 450% now. And so I posted this in Trading Group April 11th. I always miss Doge, so I made a note on my whiteboard. Up 10% so far, posted last night. April the 10th, I posted XRP, but I said Doge looks like XRP before it popped. Doge and XRP pumped crazy during the altcoin season. Doge, April the 10th, posted at 6 cents. Look, watch this. This is Doge. And so I always miss Doge. And so I see XRP pumping and I thought, what's Doge? I saw a bunch of big buys come in Doge and I was like, okay, I got to nail it this time. This is it. I'm going to make sure you're in the winners. This whole altcoin market is about to explode. People are going to take Doge money. People are going to take Doge money. Even if you're just watching the channel, people are going to take Dogecoin profits. You know how many retail traders are millionaires now because of Doge? Well, they're ready to pump the next coin, and we got to find it. Let's find the next Doge. Let's go. Listen, real quick, like this is not me. Even though the name matches, I have like a little gray bubble around me, right? These scammers are in every single YouTube channel. It's a disaster. And number one, I do not use WhatsApp. I definitely wouldn't type WhatsApp like this. The reason why they do this is because I have filters set up so that people can't post WhatsApp. They can't post phone numbers, but this is their way around it. Like I have occasionally people hit me up and they're like, yeah, dude, I was talking to you on WhatsApp. And I'm like, are you serious? Like you got to have the sense to know that I'm not ever going to contact you and say, hey, contact me and then send me some crypto. Like never will that happen. Flamingo Finance. I've got a setup for you on this one and it's going to be, there's some upside potential here long term. Okay. So if you want a midterm hold the coin, I'll show you the setup in a minute. DeFi, potentially we see a shift to DeFi as well. When these larger caps slow down, DeFi can take off. So they've got a halving of FLM is about to happen. So Soulja Boy, who is a famous music artist, he says, sell, hold, what do I do? Dogecoin. Everybody's pumping this coin, right? Knowingly or unknowingly, right? WRX had a token burn. So remember with these token burns, I mean, when you reduce the coin supply, you know, slowly over time, in theory, it would increase the price. Again, less coins, coin value goes up. It normally takes time to play out. Sometimes there's a pump factor with this announcement. Loom is officially live on Binance Smart Chain as a BEP20 token. Rakuten becomes CHZ, Chili's node, and partners with us to promote and distribute Socios fan tokens. So this is another major milestone. So Rakuten is going to help Chili's distribute these fan tokens. Huge. This is big. PancakeSwap has IFOs version 2, and these are initial farm offerings. And so, again, I'm super bullish on Cake, Bake. A lot of these DeFi coins are about to take off. This is just getting started as far as the DeFi altcoin season. I'll build that case with you in just a second. Go over and follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. Follow me on Twitter. Listen, shout out to Roman. He said, is this still a good time to buy Doge? No. Like, how? I mean, there's too much risk right now, buying right now. Like, you got to zoom in the 5-minute time frame. This thing's pumped crazy, and it's tough. And so what I do, if he bought in, he was in at the bottom. He sold 400,000 at 8 cents, and so he feels stupid now. Well, listen, here's the easy way to deal with this, because you don't know it's good. I mean, we know it pumps crazy, but this has been insane, right? Who saw this coming? What you do is you sell in percentages. It's not all or nothing. This is not all or nothing. Sell 10%. Keeps going up. Sell 10%. Maybe you sell 20%. Huge epic spike. Sell 20%. Right? Selling percentages. You could leave some of the coin in, take out of your initial investment, and let it run for a little bit. You're not going to nail the top. You're not going to nail the top. You're not. You're not going to nail the bottom either. Just get used to it. Like, don't. This stuff will tear you up if you just move on. Find the next trade. All this money's going somewhere next. This is Bitcoin dominance. This is the on-off switch for altcoins. Now, you're at support. Now, there's this huge expanding, broadening, falling wedge, right? You see that? This has been an amazing altcoin rally. Now here, there's some bounce ideas. Will we bounce here or will we bounce here? Okay. RSI double bottom oversold, stochastic RSI oversold. So, I mean, potentially a bounce would mean Bitcoin season. But what happens is the anomaly that freaking keeps my trading group killing it is when this stops moving, because this is mostly larger cap coins, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, right? And so when this starts going sideways, we get DeFi altcoin season. Face melting price action. SPF 90, lather it up, protect yourself, because these DeFi coins are about to take off, and I'll show you. This is the altcoin market cap dominance. We talked about this yesterday, and we said altcoins may see a correction based on the rejection of this overhead level. Bitcoin corrected. Okay, so this, you can time Bitcoin moves with this idea. You don't know if Bitcoin's going to pump or dump, though. This shows confluence with the DeFi altcoin season we've been talking about. DeFi coins have much smaller market caps, and they don't register as much on this altcoin dominance chart, right? So, I mean, this thing could be flagging or going sideways, and DeFi coins are booming because people are going to take profits out of Bitcoin, out of the large caps, and they're going to pump these small cap coins, right? This is a giant freaking pump and dump season, as you can imagine. DeFi, perp. Okay, remember, this is a basket of DeFi coins. Look, this thing broke all-time high, shot up, and now it retraced, right? It retraced all the way down, about a 38% pullback, right, to the 0.382. Now it's bounced, right? As this continues higher, again, looking for an epic altcoin season, there's going to be retraces here. There's going to be retraces, but this is where I want you guys to focus, and small cap BTC pairs, okay? I posted it. I woke up, posted this morning. I can never get videos out to you guys in time, you know. So sometimes I post it on Twitter. This I didn't. It's just like posted in group. All the time I post stuff in group, and it pumps and breaks out. And that's advantage of being in the trading group, obviously, is you get the coins first. So Coin likes to pump with Dogecoin. Go back test it, right? It pumps with Doge. Coin, boom, immediately broke out 35% profits. It's 35% profit. Quick money. I mean, this happened in an hour. T-Fuel. Okay, so I gave you guys this setup the other day. And Theta pumped as well. T-Fuel pumped. T-Fuel broke out, you know, and I reposted the setup in group, and I was looking for the breakout above this 200 simple. We talk about this yellow line, right? Okay, now it has broke out, hit the target, 27% gains out of this so far. But this is just the beginning, potentially. And what I want to build a case with you guys is these gas coins. So Vechain Thor, right? This is gas. Dang it. I cannot get these things out to you guys fast enough. So Vechain Thor, all right? So you had a breakout. Look, you got breakout volume. See that giant green spike in volume? All right, you got breakout volume, right? In the breakout. And gets rejected here. Comes back down. This is a perfect retest. See that? It broke out of this trend line. Right, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch, very valid triangle, broke out. Now, when it comes back down, all the buyers are sitting right here, right? If you went to the order book, you could see that there's before this thing broke out, all the orders were stacked at about 18 cents, right? Well, now all the buy orders were stacked right here at about 18 cents. So these lines, when it's support, that's where the buyers put their buys at. That's why this works. Everybody's selling here based on this sell, right? There's a sell wall up here. Everybody's selling. Go look right now on Vechain Thor. You'll see a bunch of sell orders up here around 22 and a half cents, right? People taking profits. Anyways, buying the retest, it's already moving. But what you could get is some type of triangle like we're looking at here. This is an ascending triangle, right? This breakout will be epic. Vechain Thor pumps crazy. Focus on this retest. They're golden. Look, gas broke out previously. So Neo uses gas. Vechain uses Vechain Thor. Gas already broke out and pumped. ONG hasn't broken out yet. This is gas for ontology. I had given this cup and handle previously, and then it essentially is bouncing around in here, consolidating. You've got a bull pennant potentially forming here. Maybe this. I mean, if you look at this trend line, right? You've got an apex, so you're looking for a move higher based on this idea. It's holding above the 200 simple, right? Here's your targets over here. Pause the screen, print the screen. You guys remember this CHZ? I gave it to you guys yesterday. And I said, hey, buy the breakout. 24,000 people saw this. Buy the breakout of this level. Guess what happens? Boom, it broke out, right? Well, then I zoom in. This is a 1 hour chart, right? If you zoom out, you can just see this is the original pattern. It broke out, right? Now it's flagging. So this is a continuation pattern. This is a bull flag. Okay, so essentially now you're looking to buy the bull flag breakout. Remember, CHZ has that news. And then remember, these NFT coins are going to have their run too. they're going to have their run too. Remember, all these coins don't run at the same time. I mean, if you go to look at the top of Binance, I mean, there's a certain amount of coins that are double-digit green. They don't all pump at the same time, right? You ever play that game when you're a kid, sock and boppers, right? They're all like just popping up crazy. Well, these coins pump crazy, right? But they kind of pump together because retail buys. Oh, NFTs are pumping. Small, and I would build the case that right now we could see some small cap BTC traded paired altcoins pumping, right? Sometimes it's the Chinese coins pumping. Sometimes it's the privacy coins pumping. This is COS. This is buy the bull flag breakout. This is a low sat coin, 67 Satoshis. When this thing pumps, 100% gains coming out of this guy over time. Watch. COS, draw the cup and handle, buy the breakout. This is not buy now. It's never buy now. Buy the breakout or the retest. Retests are golden. If you're getting caught in a bunch of fake outs, wait for the retest. It's golden. FLM, okay, so it's come down here and it's retested. But really what I want you to focus on is you've got this like little rounded bottom, little handle, right? So it got rejected here and now here it is. And it's flagging right here, right? You got this consolidation. So you're going to buy the breakout of this level. FLM has a halving. This is a midterm hold type coin. So is CHZ. You can midterm hold either of these, right? A lot of this stuff right now in this market, you can midterm hold, right? This altcoin season is going to be epic. It's just getting started. Make sure and take full advantage of this. Watch FLM. The targets are over here. $1.18, $1.30, $1.42, $1.53, $1.69. And I think there's considerable amount of upside for this DeFi project. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.